Creating a bot in Telegram allows you to automate various tasks and interact with users. Here's a brief guide. Open Telegram, download the Telegram app or use the web version. Find Botfather. Search for Botfather on Telegram. It's the official bot for creating and managing other bots. Start a chat. Initiate a chat with Botfather by clicking Start. Create a new bot. Type new bot and follow the instructions. You will be prompted to provide a name and username for your bot. The username must end with bot. Get your API token. After creating the bot, Botfather will provide you with an API token. Keep this token secure as it's essential for bot development. Develop your bot. Use a programming language like Python, Node.js or Java to create your bot. There are Telegram bot libraries and frameworks available for these languages. Set up webhooks or polling. You can either set up a webhook to receive updates from Telegram or use polling to fetch updates. Webhooks are more efficient but require a server with a public ID. Define bot commands. Specify commands users can use to interact with your bot by creating command descriptions. Testing. Test your bot's functionality in a Telegram chat to ensure it responds correctly. Deploy your bot. If you're using a webhook, deploy your bot on a server. If you're using polling, ensure your bot runs continuously. Promote your bot. Share your bot's username and promote it on Telegram and other platforms. Comply with Telegram policies. Ensure your bot complies with Telegram's policies and doesn't engage in spam or malicious activities.